What is up, all my legends? How's everyone doing? What up, chat? What up, chat? Oh, wait, let me just do this. What is up, all my legends? How's everyone? Testing. Alan B coming in. Just gonna wait for a few people to join on. Let's give a little announcement. What is up, all my legends? We are currently live on YouTube. Make sure to click the link if you want to join and get some free trades today. We're talking about education, trading, and going to be making some money. Here's the setups. This is what we're looking for. There's me live on YouTube. Let's get locked in, guys. What's up, Gary? Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Young. Good morning, Lewis. What's up, G's? You guys doing? How's everything going? Everyone is feeling fresh. It's a Tuesday, start of the week. Feeling good, feeling positive. We've got a few setups. We've got two scenario of setups for today. So I want to jump straight into those. You will have plenty of time to enter these trades, so don't worry. We're going to be purely just waiting for price to push up. This is one of the first times I've been in a stream, before a stream, that price hasn't really gone crazy. So I feel like today we're probably going to be having a time where the price is going to push, and we're going to definitely get a good setup, because normally if you guys have joined on my streams before I go live, price generally pushes like 1,000 pips or 500 pips or something stupid, and then like the whole session is kind of just slow and a little bit monotonous. But for today we got a good setup. I just want to break down a few key levels. So let's talk about two levels to find supply and demand. There was a level that I marked out here earlier. Let me just see. So it was down here. We saw that we had a displacement of price pushing back up here between these two levels. That's caused us to, you see this candle over here. So basically in the beginning, guys, I like to just break it down. You guys know we normally jump from the daily, but I'm going to jump through pretty much what the current structure is, so we don't waste too much time, so that you guys get more of an understanding of what exactly I'm looking at. So I'm currently looking for the supply zone, the demand zone on the 1 hour chart. You can see the nearest demand zone where price is starting to push down. You can start to see that price is starting to reject. Now, if we have a look at this, if you guys have followed my YouTube videos for some time, you understand that we have a change in character over here, right? So it's a change in character. When I identify this, and that there's a potential that price is going to turn bearish. Now, it's nothing too crazy. It's closed below this current structure. You can see it closed below all these candles, and also closed below this wick. And now price is starting to push up. Now we're just waiting for price to come down back into our demand zone for us to look for more buys. But there is sell levels that I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to jump into that as well. So before I get into that, I just want to mark up my key levels, then I'm going to get to some questions. I just want to do this. This is what I normally do, guys. Let's get that. It's going to be looking like a good demand zone. We do have another demand zone that we're looking at on the 15-minute, but that's like if price starts to heavily reject from this level. We haven't seen that big move just yet. This is what we saw basically when the market's just pre-London open. We saw that price push down about 460 pips, which is quite a lot. That could have been the move, but I still assume that market's open, market is fresh. We still should see a pull down or a pull up, and then when I pull up, you can't pull up, and then we should start seeing some sort of price action for us to enter the markets, right? But for now, that's going to be our demand zone. This is going to be our demand zone, and have a look on the 15-minute time frame. Something else I was looking at, something juicy over here. There is a potential another demand zone, because you can see that we had an imbalance in price over here as well. On the 15 minutes, get that. It's also another demand zone on the 15-minute time frame. But the problem with this is now what I need to see and what I need to wait for is I need to see if price is going to do something like this, right? If this is going to be a valid demand zone. Now, I'm more confident that price is going to come down here, especially if we see a strong rejection to the downside. So these are the two scenarios I'm waiting for to wait for a buy. If price does something like this, right, it comes down, taps into this level, creates a lower high, comes back down, doesn't break this candle again, comes up, creates structure, something like that pops up, comes back down, and we can target these highs again. Now that's scenario A. If price just breaks down, breaks below this, completely invalidates this trade, then our next buy zone will be down here, right? Very simple. So we got two scenarios. So price does something like this, opens up and it just comes straight down, closes below that, we're going to rather look for more buys over here. Okay? So two scenarios. Don't jump in on this one until I give you confirmation. All right? Let me just do this. Go. Cool. Okay. Then scenario B, what I was looking at is somewhere up here. Just zoom in on this. It's a slight little imbalance. I'd rather be happy with this. Slight little imbalance on here. This is what I was looking at 515 to 520. Actually, it's looking a bit better there. You see that we have an imbalance in price over here, guys. You understand what an imbalance is? This price, this candle came down super aggressively, pushed to the downside, and it caused this gap in between here. So this gap and this gap. So have a look at this. Caused us to have this gap. So we're going to take it from, you can even take it from this gap. Let's fill up there. That's the level that we want to tap into. You can see that we have a gap between this level. So it's around, the gap between this candle and that candle is going to be about 30 pips. So we still feel like we should tap into that. But we see that price is still pushing down. We saw that structure starting to come back down, starting to form more lower highs, lower lows. So it's looking, the current price structure is looking more bearish at the moment, right? So this is also another break in structure or a change of character over here. Sorry about that. 1 second. Let's do this. Changing character as well over here. So that's also good. Breaking structure, changing character, whatever you want to call it. It's two price structures where price starting to reject. Now, if a scenario plays out like something like this, let me just make this red so it looks more like the supply zone. Is everyone understanding where I'm getting these levels from? Can you put in the chat if you're understanding me or you want me to explain something a bit better? Trying to make it as simple as possible here, guys. You can see that the price is obviously pushing down, right? Down, 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 down. Where's price going to go to next? Probably down there. But if price does something like this, breaks above there, change of character, break of structure, start to come up there, retap this level, start to do something like this, then we can look for more sells coming back down to this level, right? So we've got two little obvious plays, two A+ setups that we're looking for. So these are the two plays that I'm looking for on this stream. So now we're just going to wait for price to obviously play out. If you guys want to get access, remember guys, if you guys want to get access in real time to these trades and to these setups, make sure to obviously join in on my free trading community where I send these trades in real time. So it's where I send daily updates, gold market. I send you guys market structure analysis. There's all our profits, 2,000, 1,300. I send you guys, if we take wins, if we take losses, it's all a part of the process. But you can see lately we've just been winning. And we'll update you with how the trade's going. $1,000 there, 2,600, almost 2,000, more than 2,000 there, $500 on that trade. Update you guys with every single thing that's happening. And also, guys, the AI group's been absolutely smoking. Look at this, 90% win rate on the AI group alone with over 100 members. That's recently just been introduced. I've been mentioning that a few times. And guys, if you want to get access to the crypto signals last week, 75 take profits, 75. If you are wanting to trade gold plus crypto, this is your solution. You guys can make easy money over this. Like it's so simple just to start making profits in the crypto group. because you guys are able to trade over the weekend. I know you guys are always wanting to trade. And this gives you guys another option, another solution for capital. You guys can make money over the weekend and you're more prepared for, let's say you just want to predominantly trade gold, but you also have some free time, you know. Free time equals do something about it, learn something new, try something new, right? And you also get access to a swing group, and you also get access, obviously, to my education. So if you guys want to get access to that, make sure to drop me a DM. It's very important that you guys get into the groups, guys. And remember, until the 23rd, there is a special offer that I'm running for you guys. So make sure you guys get in on that. The special offer is running at 150% deposit bonus from today, starting from today until the 23rd of April. So make sure you lock in. It's another 2 days left, right? So if you want to get into that. Also, if you deposit $1,000, you'll get a $5,000 prop. And if you deposit, excuse me. Oh, my voice went. So if you deposit, $1,000, you'll get a $5,000 prop. And if you deposit $2,000, you'll get a $10,000 prop. So this allows you to trade also crypto on the prop firms. You can trade over the weekends. This allows you to also get access. You utilize capital. You got an extra $5,000 or $10,000 that you can trade on. Extra capital, which means extra profits, which means extra leverage, right? That means more money, in essence, right? So as you can see, price starting to push down. You're starting to see price starting to get into that. So guys, today, for the next 2 days, well, today plus, and it expires on the 23rd, so let's call it 3 days. So the 23rd of April, you get access to 150% deposit bonus. So let's lock in. Let's get that secured. Do it. All right. Luke, do you have any copy trader and how's the P&L? Just drop me a DM. I'll run you through. We do have a copy trader at the moment. Let me see. I am a part listening at work. I would appreciate a lot if someone could write the signal in the chat once given, as it's easier for me to read than listen at times. Thank you, whoever does this. We can send it in the chat. Sure, why not? I can do that for you. I am learning about FEG, but on what time frames is the best to identify them? Because you identified a gap on the 15-minute now, but I thought our higher time frame was stronger. Absolutely. It's obviously, you got to understand, and let's say you do FEG, supply and demand, if you do, order blocks, whatever the case is, if you spot that on a higher time frame, obviously it's going to intentionally have more confidence on that trade because it takes longer to play out, and it's, that's just how it is. But if you take it on a lower time frame, you got to understand that what current structure you're in. Are you taking an FEG, or you're taking a supply zone, or you're taking a demand zone, or an order block? Are you taking it on the current market structure, the correct market structure? So if the 4 hour is bullish, and you take an FEG sell on let's say on a 15-minute, how validated is that? As opposed to if you're going to be taking it on, let's say a 4 hour FEG sell on, or 4 hour FEG buy, knowing that the market is in current bullish structure. It makes more sense to take it on a bullish structure, right? Now, you can obviously see when you're taking an FEG, for example, on let's say a lower time frame, and the market's starting to turn bearish. Like let's say on the 15-minute, current structure is starting to turn bearish. But if we have a look at the 4 hour, we can see that the current 4 hour is still bullish, right? But we understand on the 15-minute, it's still valid because you can still take a 15-minute, let's say FEG sell, or a supply zone sell. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, Susanna? So it's important. It's just important to understand. It's great to have a higher time frame bias, but then it's also good to understand what current structure we're in. All right. So this is like the play that I'm looking for. Just going to remove these two arrows at the moment. So if price starts to respect, and if we start to get something good over here, but I need to see a bounce off this, a respect bounce off this level, and we can start to take a buy off this and target this high. This will be great. Or be like scenario A, where I can slightly put it a bit down there. Or if price starts to immediately reject, we look for more buys on this level over here. But we're going to be waiting for more confirmations as we go. Otherwise, we wait for that, right? This would be scenario B. As you can see, the market's starting to push back down. So we're going to see where the price obviously respects here, and then we can take a buy off that. So that's scenario A, scenario B. And then we got scenario C. If price wants to push up, we do have a sell position that we can start to take from here. And we can start to take a sell above these levels and target these previous lows. And we can even hold this down to there. But that'll be a good 1 to 3 risk reward over there. So does that all make sense? Does everyone understand the scenario A, B, and C and what to wait for? It's very important, right? Like I said to Susanna now, I just explained to her very clearly, we need to wait for our confirmations. It's fine to spot an FEG. It's fine to spot a supply and demand. It's okay. You'll find a demand zone in, let's say, a bearish trend. Does it mean the demand zone is going to be respected? We need to wait for a confirmation. It's that simple. All right? Try to make it as simple as possible for you guys so that you guys can able to understand and start taking trades on your own, because that's what I'm trying to do for you guys. You guys are able, you guys get confident, and you guys start to understand why certain things happen and why we don't just rush into the first indication about something, right? So if anyone has any questions regarding supply and demand, change of character, break of structure, let me know, all right? Because I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to obviously make money as well. And yeah. This 1 hour candle closed below. Is a chance that we could potentially see a sell happening as well over here. I don't mind taking a sell down to, let's say, these levels as well. Might also be okay, this as well. This might also be a good sell there, guys. We'll update you with how things go, if I'm going to enter or not. This could also be another scenario, guys. Number 4. How much experience about trading? I've been trading for the past 9-10 years. It's like between 9 to 10 years. Successfully profitable in the past 3 years. But yeah, I have a lot of experience in the markets, trading crypto, trading gold, trading Forex, helping people, educating people for a few years now. So I'm quite happy with that. Seen some good results. If you want to see, you can go directly to my group. You can see testimonials as well. So all people that's obviously trading with me. So yeah, very happy with all of you guys. Just for some reason, the reviews don't ever show like when I have 2 screens. It just doesn't make sense at all. But if you guys obviously want to see that, you guys are more than welcome to click that and check that out. Are you South African? I know that accent. Yes, sir. I am South African. South Africa, my brother. South Africa. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what we're looking forward to for today. I'm going to wait for more confirmation that we're going to continue going back down. I just want to check if there's any news. Yeah, we do have a couple of news folders at, say, 8:15, 8:30. 8:30 is core retail sales. And we have Fed chairman speaking at 10 p.m. So a little bit further away from now. So we do have some time. It's all good. All good. We might get on at sell. I just want to see if we get a better confirmation here, and then we're in there for a trade, guys. We're in there. See what's going to happen. Not just yet, guys. I haven't entered just yet. I'll give you guys my exact confirmation. Wait for my call, please. When I tell you. No purpose, I really like your education videos on YouTube account. I really appreciate that. Thanks, Susanna. When are we looking for a range like this? How do you approach mid-range consolidation? We wait for either break in structure, change in character, or we look for the nearest supply zone or demand zone, and we attack that. Like now, you see price starting to push up. Right, so we're not going to enter on a bullish candle because this could turn into a break of structure. This continue can go up. That's why I haven't just entered just based on that minor supply zone right now, right? It's all about waiting. It's all about the patience, brother. But I do see us probably entering very soon. I'm just waiting. This is obviously the first, well, not the first, sorry. I'm sorry. Well, we're 20 minutes in. The next 15-minute candle is going to close in 9 minutes. Half an 30-minute candle is going to close in 9 minutes as well. And the next 5-minute candle will close in the next 3 minutes. So let's see what's going to happen with the next move. Because I don't think that... is there any additional reading material you can recommend? Yeah, just follow my YouTube. And if you're already in the education group, I do post education videos there as well. There's a good education. You'll learn basically all the basics in there. I'm just going to move this to the side so no one gets confused. No one enters that just yet. We paid for waiting, not trading. I like that, bro. Damn, shorty. Man should be a rapper, bro. Trying to see. I want to see where, if I can, how far we're pushing up here. Could be good there. All right, so we're just going to wait a few minutes, like just wait maybe another 7 minutes, and we're probably going to be in there for a sell. And yeah, pretty happy with that. Just to see if we can come a bit higher as well. Okay, guys, I'm just going to prepare the signal for now so everyone has a chance to enter. Give me a second. Not just yet. Waiting for price to push up slightly higher. Okay. Just gonna mark down 4693 to 4696. I'm more than happy with that. It's gonna give us almost a 3R on this trade overall. Pretty confident we're gonna probably tap down into this, hopefully on the stream today. Let's put in our levels. 4785. Seven, 7, 5, and then all right, perfect. So it's going to be my exact levels I'm going to be marking up. Sorry guys, I will get to the question. I'm just preparing the trade so you guys understand where we're going to enter. Just going to send it as sell limit. Okay, cool. I've just sent it to the VIP, but I'm going to send it to you guys now. I'm going to type it out so that you guys are fully aware of what exactly we're looking for. Okay, I'll get back to all the questions now. Just give me a chance. So sell limit meaning that we're not entering just yet. We're waiting for price to push up to our level. XAU, USD. Cool. Entry will be between 4793 to 4796. TP1, okay, let's put the stop loss. I always forget to put it there. 4820. TP1 is going to be 4785. TP2 will be 4775. TP3 will be 4755. TP4 would be 4720, and this will give us a nice 2.6 risk to reward. Put it as a little bit tighter. Wait, let's get that exact. About a 4.6, nearly at 2. Okay, it's got it there. Okay, just doesn't want to. 720. It's a profit level. Wait, what? Stop level 47. Okay, wait, shit, I'm messing this up. That's fine. Okay, cool. So let's just leave it at that for now. It's going to be about a 2.8. All right, so let's get locked in. Anyone have any questions? I'm going to get to all the questions now. I just want to make sure that you guys are seeing everything. Is everything clear on the screen? No one's missing it. Going to put this in the chat as well. I don't know if it's allowed on YouTube. That's the only thing. Like to put in, I don't know if it's allowed. So I don't know if I'll do that because, you know, I don't know. I need to first check if it's allowed to put trades and stuff in the chat. I'm getting back to all the questions now. Hi Luke, any videos for beginners, please? Yeah, go to my YouTube. Check the videos. If you have any questions regarding any of these videos or you want to know anything about trading, they pretty much cover everything from A to Z in the trading thing. And then if you want to join my education group, please feel free, drop me a DM and you're more than welcome to do that as well. Is this your old Airbnb again, or is this the one you try to get in during last stream? No, so they were just doing some maintenance on this villa. That's why I had to go to a different villa. I had to go to this place in Uluwatu. So to go to Uluwatu for the weekend, and also went to this party called Day Zero. Massive party. Jeez. Incredible location. Like, I don't like to party. I don't like to go to these big parties anymore. Like back in my day, I used to. But this place was insane. There was like statues. It looked like it was out of a Call of Duty map, you know. So those of you who used to play Call of Duty, it literally looked like that. I was like, damn, you know, massive stage. The space-wise was really good as well, you know. It was really cool. I'm only in the Luke Bridges trading group. Can I join any of the others before depositing, etc.? So the Luke Bridges trading group is the free one. So if you want to get access to the other one, you will have to deposit, and we're doing a 150% deposit bonus now. If you deposit up to $1,000, you'll get access to a $5,000 prop account, completely free. And if you deposit $2,000, you'll get a $10,000 prop account. So if you want to take advantage of that, it's for the next 2 days only. So, or like, if we're including today, expires on the 23rd. So I'll take advantage of that if you want to get started, if you want to get access to the VIP. How did you analyze it? It's like, my bro, Labu, were you watching my stream? I think the market is leaning towards a massive sell technically, but issue is the Iran situation. Yeah, we're looking for sells. Do we sell now or no? It's a sell limit. Sell limit means we wait for price to push up, then we take our sell. All right. First time on with you, amazing. So much information for me to learn from rather than copy trading. How often do you guys go live today? I go live every Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm considering going live a little bit more often. I just want to see you guys, you know, if you guys want to engage a bit more, if you guys are showing me more love and more respect on the stream. Obviously, you guys show me a lot of respect and a lot of love. But, you know, it needs to be worth my time, right? Because it takes up a lot of time to stream. It's now currently like I start at 4 p.m. This time. If I want to say not do 2 streams in a day, I'm happy to also do that. I might be doing that as well. So I stream London and I stream New York. I'm happy to do that as well, because let's say, for example, we don't get much volume, we don't get much action during the London, you know, I might stream the New York as well, so you guys get opportunity to get both sessions in. So it is in the works. I've been streaming for the past, I think, around 2 months every single time, Tuesday and Thursdays, unless something has happened. But yeah, so far so good. But yeah, all good to go, perfect. No need to do that. No need to do what? To stream every day. You don't want to see my face every day. That's okay, bro. Damn. Bro doesn't want to see my face every day. I know, bro. Look here, I'm getting older, dude. I'm not looking as hot anymore, bro. You know, the ladies are looking at me. They know my age now. They go like this. Guess how old I am. You know the guessing game, right? They go, well, I think you're like 29, 30. I'm like, jeez. It's crazy. Like, you know, a few years back, they would be like, nah, I think you're like 24, 23. And I'll be like, nah, I'm 27, 26. Now they're just like, nah, you're like 29. And I'm like, what's happened, bruv? You know? Shit. Like, yo, did it hit me that hard, bro? Like, I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, damn, I don't feel like I look that old, dog. Sheesh. Do you know people know my age now, dog? Crazy. Getting the papacita level, yeah, I know. Got some Spanish girls, or Spanish girl, I don't know. You know, I'm always scared that the girls I meet, they're watching my stream, you know, because they got my Instagram, they know where I am, and I'm like, gee, you know, don't want to talk too much, you know. A lot of them understand very good English, you know. Some Spanish don't, so then it'll be fine, but these ones really understand it, you know, so I can't really chat a bit of shit, you know what I mean. But now, lovely girls, we love it. Single man, bro, single man, can do whatever I like. All right, guys, so we see we're pushing up, almost at that entry level. All right, I see you. Little bit of patience goes a long way. So, guys, if you haven't already, please like the video, not on the video itself, not on the stream. Like the video, like, you know, when you like a YouTube video, like the video, please. It means a lot to you guys. Lady VK says, hey, wait till you get to my age 74. Damn. You know, that's the same age as my gran, and I still classify as young. She says, oh, I'm getting so old. I said, you know how many 74-year-olds, you know, people in their 70s are still climbing and are like the Himalayas, are still climbing the mountains, you know, still parachuting. I'm like, You're only you're only old when you say you're old. And I still feel like I'm 20. All right, so whether you say I'm 30, I don't care. I'm still doing the same things I did when I was in my 20s. I know I just hit 30, but I'm like, dude, don't tell me otherwise, all right? Don't tell me otherwise, because you will be lying. Be careful. But I respect you, Lady VK. I'm young, especially at heart. I'm an ex-flight attendant. Nice. Which airline were you a flight attendant for? That's so cool. You've had a good life, I can assure you that. You know, definitely. Be careful of gold diggers. Do you know I'm not scared of gold diggers because I got gold, dog. You didn't think about that one, did you? You're only scared of them if you don't have the cash. But if you got the cash, I mean, you could support them, bro. What do they need? $1,000 a month? $2,000? No problem. Just mop my floors, you know what I mean? Got a question. Sure, a minute. I've got a minute for you as well. Don't worry. Got a queue. So do we normally enter at 9.3 or 9.6, just asking for future cases, just in case we wait for price to go high at limits? So that is just technically a level that I'm looking for, right? So some people, let's say for example, minute, you know that I'm going to enter at 9.3. For sure I'm going to enter at 9.3. But let's say price pushes up or, you know, come back into that level quick. And let's say you're late. And you're like, oh shit, I didn't enter at 9.3. Can I still enter? And it's like, okay, cool. Yeah, you can still enter when we are at 9.3 to 9.6. Obviously a little bit above, but that's like the level because it's like a 30 pip range. So anything can happen within that level. You know what I mean? Wait, British Airways. Do you know a guy called Barry? What's his name? His name is Barry Webster. Do you know a Barry Webster, Lady VK? He used to work at British Airways. That'd be crazy if you know him. Do you know the Hakimi special? Put everything in your mom's name. Oh, nothing. Facts. Haha, you're only scared of gold if you don't have the gold. What a flex. Yeah. Gotcha, thanks, mate. No worries. That should be my quote, bro. Don't be scared of the gold, bro. You know what 50 cents, you know what, I can't say the N word, but you know what 50 Cent said, you know? And I ain't saying she's a gold digger, but she ain't fucking with no broke, you know? So it's true, you know what I mean? Jeez, man. No, I left when I was 31, so a long time ago. Oh shit. Damn, okay. No, but he was working there for long. Like, he's not my age. He's like in his 60s. That's what I'm saying. He was working there for like 20, 30 years as well. That's what I'm saying. He's easily like in his late 50s, borderline in 60. That's why I asked. He's not my age. He ain't my age. That's why I'm asking Lady VK. He's not my age. He's like more towards 60. Like, he used to work there for like 30 years. Like, long time. Is the chat still working? Can someone put a message? Let's just send a weird message like, chat disconnected, successfully connected. Is the chat everything good? Can you guys hear me? I don't know what happened there. It says something weird on the chat. The chat. There's something wrong with my chat here. Man, do you know how many people work for British Airways? No, I know. I'm just asking. He was a really funny guy as well, that's why. Like, maybe you know. But no, it's fair enough. I'm sorry, Lady VK. But it's like similar like Emirates. Like, I ask people, like, because obviously I know like a lot of Emirates crew, and I go like, hey, do you know like Joe? And they're like, do I know Joe? Do you know how many Joes there are there's like 20,000 Emirates crew, you know? It's like, no, I don't know Joe. You know, so I understand what you mean. Don't worry. I'm just putting my limits for now. My limits. Hopefully we get a nice juicy trade today. What did I say my entry was? 973. Alright, perfect. Just putting through my levels as now. You guys better have your shit placed. Oh, ain't my problem. Oh, look. We're in a little breezy little Bitcoin trade as well. Damn. We up, dog. Did you just trade in? I mean, trading's just become a joke. Literally just making money for fun here. Anything that has a chart, I'll trade it, you know. I like the money. I like the money. Let me just put in my levels. 775. Cool. Just placing it so I'm lock and loaded for this. 775. 793. 1 second, guys. I'm just putting through my limits so we can lock and load. You guys ready, set and ready? Your fingers ready to fucking rumble. We're pushing up now. We're pushing up now. Better get prepared. No, it's working. Cool. I'm from Pakistan. How are you, bro? I'm from South Africa. I'm very good, bro. Nice. Whose first time is it on the stream today, guys? Just so I know. Just give a raise of hands or give a like. So I know. No pics. When I used to fly to the US, they'd always ask if I knew Queen 111. Damn, I don't even know what that means. You're the 1 hour time frame. It will take a while before price reaches the entry level. No, not really. No, I'm just putting on the 1 hour because it goes in my screen a bit more. Just gonna move that there. 9.3. There we go. All right. So as soon as we pop into there, a Queen 111 me. Oh, damn. Where you from? Oh wait. Obviously, I'm assuming you're British. Maybe that's a silly question. Greetings from the Netherlands. Greetings. For the stop loss you have placed, would it be alright if you changed it just so I'm not risking as much? No, sir, cannot do that. Goes against my strategy. I can't move it because you asked me to. Like that's where it makes sense for me. Huh? 3 expiration makes number 1, so it's UK. No, I get you. Okay, guys, get ready. So I'm gonna look away from the chat for now. Get back to you guys in a second. So 10 more pips. We're about to hit Andrew. All right, slowly pushing up. I didn't quite tap into it just yet. I swear, this thing dumps from here, bro. I will. Oh, you don't even understand, dog. Did it hit? I don't think it hit. No, it did. Yeah, we hit. We're in. Okay, guys, we executed successfully here. Let's check, make sure. Wait, did it hit? I hit on MetaTrader, it didn't hit on my broker. Who of you guys managed to get in there? Because look, it did hit, it went over, it went up to 93.2. Who of you guys got in there? It didn't execute on my broker, unfortunately. So who of you guys, it's your first time here? My first, Paula. Nice to meet you, Paula. Nice to meet you. It's full transparency, guys. I didn't get in. I'm just in my Bitcoin trades at the moment. And yeah, mine didn't execute. Must have moved a bit too quickly. You're in? Not yet. Some people are in. We might still get another chance. I mean, I have my limits placed, so I didn't get executed. I'm showing you very open honesty. Unfortunately, didn't. A little bit of slippage. It is sensitive. It depends on the chart, the broker. First time too. What's up to all the new people? Guys, just remember today until the 23rd, you will get access to the, sorry, not access, you will get 150% deposit bonus. And let me just put that there, put it over there because you haven't executed just yet. So you guys will get access to the VIP group. If you guys are going to get access, make sure to join the VIP. Get all these signals every single day, winning signals. You see how much we're making on a day-to-day basis. Members are winning, members are happy, people are smiling. Okay, there we should have executed. Nah, still not. Joking, dog. Huh. Well, that's fucking bullshit. Bro. Let's see if the third time we're going to execute it. Did you guys get in on that now? So this is a signal I sent. You guys get 2 to 5 of these win signals every single day. 150% deposit bonus, guys. If you want to get access now, if you deposit $1,000, you get $5,000 prop account. If you deposit $2,000, you get $10,000 prop account completely for free. So make sure to capitalize on this until the 23rd. Guys, don't want to miss this opportunity. All right. Buy or sell, which direction? A sell, a sell. Didn't get in, yeah? Yeah, it sucks. Let me just see. Oh my word. On the broker, it missed by like 8 pips. Like 8. Damn. Do I have any lower deposit amounts? Yeah, the minimum is 300, I think. 300. I always advise people with more capital because you get access to, if you're going to take advantage, because it's your deposit bonus, it's the first time you deposit, right? So make sure you get as much as you can from the first deposit bonus, right? It only makes sense. Did not hit the sell limit. No, it didn't hit for me either. Look here. Like I'm very transparent, you guys. It didn't hit. It's 8 pips away. 8. Like it got, look here. Oh, my TP hits on Bitcoin, but like you can see, all my orders still placed. I didn't hit it. On MT4, we did. I mean, on TradingView we did. We definitely hit it on TradingView. So some people did enter it. So I want to be fair with everyone. If you're in the VIP and you did enter it, you know, because it technically did hit. So got to be obviously respectful to people that do. But obviously for me, I didn't. Onto your site for sore eyes. What does that mean? What does that mean, guys? Someone messaged me on a dating app saying, aren't you a site for sore eyes? What does that mean? Is that like an insult, dude? It's like, man, let me chat GPT what that means. Aren't you a site for sore? Doesn't sound that bad, but it also doesn't sound that great either, no? Aren't you a site for sore eyes, bro? Yeah, I'm checking. It means like I'm really happy to see you. Okay. It means that they've had a bad time, but you are making it better. Woo-hoo-hoo! Your boy back, dog! Sheesh! I'll see you tonight, baby kicks. Call me 1-800-GOLD. Happy to see you. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Wait until they see me later, after I make some money. Woo! Sheesh! And they'll see me wait until the gold digger comes with a bag of gold, dog. Sheesh, they're going to be happy days. We put this here. All right. Little bit annoyed here if it's gonna hit down to our first take profit here because yeah, I'd be pissed off, man. Because they have not been so good. Is she someone? Is she? I would hope she's a she, bro. Did you break up with your girlfriend? What do you mean? What do you mean my girlfriend, bro? Girlfriends, bro. Nah, I'm joking. I'm not a player, dog. I just don't want a girlfriend. I had a few girlfriends in my day. Like proper ones, like we dated for like 2 years, 3 years. I had like three girlfriends, I think, in my time. Really great. Got nothing bad to say about it. It was a very special moment. We had a really good time. Explored the world with some of them. It's like, I fucking loved it, bro. You know, no, I'm joking. But yeah, no, I loved it. It's just like now I'm just living in Bali, you know, Bali, living a life. You know? Right, guys, a little bit unfortunate if price starts to reject you. I won't lie to you. I would be just as upset as you guys because I didn't get to enter as well. So there's nothing really much I can do. I didn't tell the markets what to do. I just react to when the market wants to give me a position, right? That's the way it is. If it wants to ruin me by 8 pips, I can't really do anything about it, eh? Like, you know, it sucks. Sucks, dude. But if it is a he, do you know how many, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say it, LGBTQT people hit on me, mate. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, if I was playing for the left side, I'd be sorted. Sorted, my friend. Yeesh. Like, dude, it is insane. Oh, why? Guys love me, bruh. You know what I mean? I just keep that there. A little bit unfortunate we didn't tap into our level. Mine entered Paula. Nice. I mean, look, I'm not saying that it's going to go back to our entry again. It still might. Like, I might have not been the touch, but technically my entry was my entry, you know? And technically we did hit into it. I didn't enter because it didn't execute on the broker, which I want to punch the wall. And now it's going to hit TP1. You see why me and trading have like a love-hate relationship, you know? It makes me money, but it makes me go crazy as well. Why does it have to do that? Why can't it just easily execute? I think too many of you guys had your orders there. They knew, and they were like, we're not going to let this many people make that much money. All right? James is in. Well done, James. Well done, Paula. Very happy for you guys. Here's me, the guy that's given the trade, not even in. So, James, I'm very happy for you, bro. I'm very happy. Paula, super happy for you. Just gotta love it. Like, I'm the guy that gave the trade, and I'm not in the trade. Like, I'm being serious. I'll show you guys dead set. Still not in the trade. I'm not gonna fake it. Still placed, bro. Yeah, that's a life, eh? Oh, but on the bright side, both my Bitcoin trades closed in profit. Very nice. Very nice. You know what? We're making a little bit of money. Also on my break, also on the weeks. Don't allow paste. Wait. Where's my trade, bro? Wait, 1 second, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm up like $171 on my weeks as well. Crypto trading, bro, just making money. Missing out on VFB. I'm waiting for a reply. Drop me a DM now. Say, yo, Luke, I'm in the YouTube. Reply to me ASAP. I'll reply to you now. Yo, G, what's good? What's up, Vanity Clips? Dog, shit. What's up, broski? What's up, my bro? Yo, guys, if you just joined, make sure, text me if you want to get access to the 150% deposit bonus. It's up until the 23rd. Get that now, dog. Now. If you get that deposit bonus, you get access to have a bigger balance. It's really that simple, bro. Don't ruin the opportunity. Don't be a loser. All right? Get access to the crypto secrets. 75 take profits, trading absolute liquid, Dogecoin, ETH, Bitcoin, XLM. You guys probably don't even know what these tokens are, but all you have to click is buy, sell, and you guys literally print. It's that simple. 75 take profits last week, right? So I always advise you guys, have a little bit of balance in it. Just guys, you want to trade over the weekend, right? Guys also have the AI algo, which is 90% accuracy at the moment. Cooking. Get access to that. You'll get access to the prop trading account, a $5,000 prop trading account with a $1,000 bonus, and you'll get access to, if you do 2,000, you get access to a 10,000, right? Is Bitcoin still bearish or is it getting bullish again? I'm sort of bullish at the moment, semi-bullish, like Paula asked me, why would you not enter now to get the other TP levels? Paula, I love how you always put your name at the end. It's actually really cool. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Like, I think it's actually sick. I will literally never forget your name, Paula. Why would I not enter the trade? Because it's already past my entry. Now it's almost hitting TP1. So for me to basically enter at TP1 doesn't really make sense for me. It's not really feasible. When or what are the confirmations of moving stop loss to break even, or does it just depend on the current market conditions? Very good question, Adam. I like that. So it depends. Sometimes we could have strong momentum. Sometimes, you know, when the market start to, you know, if we immediately start to push down, or we're waiting for a rejection candle, and then price started to reject off the rejection candle, or we didn't see a bounce that we wanted, or, you know, let's say we took a sell here, prices immediately dropped. It's advisable that you move stop loss to break in, or we start to trail your stop loss, right? Because that could just be a steep bottom wick for you to drive up, right? So why risk your profits? So if we start to see a very big drop, run the momentum down. Don't shoot yourself in the foot, right? That's how I see it, you know. Secure your profit, secure the bag. All right, not much volume happening at the momentum. I mean, we can't really do much. We haven't had a big move yet, so I'll still stay on for sure. I'm still waiting for the move. Like I'm still thinking there's going to be a bit of a move. I think it's going to be a bit of a drop. Yeah, based on this current market construction. The market construction, bro. Are you serious, bro? Because at the moment, the 5 minutes just a bit consolidating. Yeah, you know what I mean? Kind of just stuck between this at the moment. So we're just currently bouncing between these two levels until we start to get a breakout below there. Price starts to reject, come back down, yappa, and then, you know. But there's still a chance you still might enter, guys. Don't worry. Like, don't fear, never fear. Like, it's gonna be okay, guys. It's gonna be okay. Like, just because I told you to sell doesn't mean, like, you know. Can I still enter sell now? Look, I'm not advising because I haven't entered the sell. I'm waiting for it to hit my entry still. It did technically hit on empty trading view, but not on my MT5. And I'm very open with you guys, so I didn't enter it. For those of you in the VIP that did probably enter it, like some of you guys did enter it, you know, it's almost hitting TP1, so you know that's just how it is. But for us who's on YouTube, some people did enter it, so I'm gonna go with, like, you know, the majority. I don't think majority of us entered it because of, you know, if we had pending orders in, for example. You know, that's why I always say, like, I do prefer market executions because you entered the trade. Sometimes shit like this can happen, but you know, I like to give everyone a fair chance to enter the trade as well. So like to give someone preemptively, tell them when to enter so they know in time. They're not just like boom, it's immediate reaction, for example, right? So it can work in both ways, you know. So this will also be okay. Price is something like this now. So something like this comes in here. Something like that would also be okay. See what we can do. See what we can do. Yeah, someone's like messaging me. They say, "Oh, bro, I was 8 pips off." I'm like, "Dog, I know, dude. I'm doing this live. Like, imagine for me. Imagine for me. Yeah. Now it's literally gonna hit like TP1. So, fuck. That hit TP1. Oh my god. Why you gotta be so heartbroken? Why you gotta do the things we heard? So sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. Gold is dumping on me. Gold is dumping on me, and we didn't execute because of 8 pips. That's sad, eh? What a sad. Imagine we got in on there. What a sniper entry, though. You know, like what an absolute sniper entry. If we did execute, like, you know, which we should have, because hello, we did hit 9.3, went up to 9.3.2. Like absolute sniper entry, dog. Like not even 2 pips in drawdown, something like that. But sad, no? Heartbroken, I know. Entries and TP somehow don't hit or miss my 25 bits. Sometimes don't always set for the even number. Yeah, I know. It's a Mackie Max. Yeah, I know. Something like it happened to us before as well. If you guys watch my stream, it happened to us as well. Like same, like 8 pips, something very small. It screwed us over, and it absolutely melted after that. And that's what I think is going to happen now. It's sad. I got a call. Did you get hit your limit? No, it literally it hit on TradingView 9.3, perfect wick entry, but it didn't execute on my account. It was like 8 pips off. What's your name on Telegram there, bro? Tell me. What's your name on Telegram, bro? I don't know what your name on Telegram is, bro. This is so sad, bro. It's like so shit. So shit. So shit. So shit. Indu, what's your name on Telegram, bro? Like you just spam him, bro. I don't know. Should we delete the limits? Just got back. Not just yet. Just I'm just waiting a bit. I'm not deleting anything just yet. I think the reason it didn't enter on your broker was because you entered without the decimal points numbers at the back. No, it wouldn't do that. Just cause of spread. Not just yet. Have you lined up Bitcoin shorts on the crypto group? What do you mean lined up? Like have I prepared? There's longs. There's not shorts at the moment. I'm not looking for shorts at the moment. Sam Breeze. Alright. What's it saying? I'm reading the chat now, but what's the problem? It's kicked me out of the groups because it's not giving me 6-month membership, but I'm not in any of the groups. 1 second, let me just see here. Second, I'm sorting it out now. Oh, Luke, if the price comes back to 93, can we re-enter? That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the plan. Price is making more lower lows here. We're starting to push back up. Yeah, that's a plan. Like, I'm still waiting. I'm still okay for the trade right now. Yeah, but the thing is, if price goes up, it depends on spread as well, Hobby. Spread. It's all about spread. Like, sometimes the spread on the broker to the actual price of the thing, that's what it's about. Yeah. Let's see what else is happening here. Yeah, but no particular. Well, let's see. If we don't get back, we might just look for another entry, guys, because I'm still currently looking for sells. Sorry, 1 second. Damn. When you get these late night messages, dog, you're like, damn, you know, looking good, man, looking good, bro. What is this? Freaking eyes, bro. It's so sad because it's dumping now. I know. Hobby, we're all in this together, my brother. As much as it sucks for you, it sucks for me as well, because apparently I've got gold diggers that need the gold, dog, and I ain't making any gold. I ain't making any figures right now. So I can't give the gold diggers the cash. You know what I mean? But low. Oh, swing long on Bitcoin. Think it will dump aggressively at some point in the next 24 hours. Damn. Good luck if it does. I'm holding my position. I'm pretty confident on it. I think Bitcoin will reach 80K fairly soon. I think it was just being manipulated for quite a long time. I think you got to understand how crypto markets and how gold markets, how the whole markets work, right? Think about it very logically, right? Now, think about something in a general sense, right? Let's for example, talk about a phase, right? You know, when these little toys came out, these Lulu things, whatever the thing is. Does anyone have them anymore? Do you see them much anymore? No, you don't, right? But when they came out, everyone was talking about them. Right? It's crazy. Whoa, shit, damn. You know, everyone's touching their bag, going to the gym, taking pictures. There was rare ones. There was this one. No one gives a shit about it anymore, right? Then came along COVID. Now, no one really gives a shit about COVID anymore, right? But for 2 years, everyone gave a shit about it. 3 years, maybe, right? Now, you got Bitcoin. So, think of it as a similar concept to, let's say, markets. Now, you're looking at Bitcoin. There was a big craze at a certain point in Bitcoin. Everyone was buying. Everyone wanted to be rich. Everyone was getting rich. Everyone was losing money. Everyone was doing it. And then it died down. It was like, okay, no, that was just a phase. It was just a phase. No. Happen again. Boom. Bitcoin. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin. Even your grandmother knows about Bitcoin. Everyone wants to get into Bitcoin. Now, what phase are we in? No one's really talking about Bitcoin right now, right? No one's really talking much about crypto. Now, what does that mean? That it's preparing for the next, because we had a big pullback. So soon, everyone's going to be like, oh shit, Bitcoin's over 85,000. We need to buy. Damn. And then you see how the cycle works, you know? I'm out, man. Gas, get the gold for the gold diggers. I'm with you, brother. Yeah, you gotta work. Gotta work hard, bro. You gotta work hard for the. You gotta work hard. You gotta keep your ladies happy, bro. Gotta work hard. Gotta work hard. You gotta work hard. You gotta play harder. You know what I mean? Enjoy your life. You know, like someone said to me, I'll say to you straight. Enjoy your fucking life, dude. You know, you only get one life. You know, why not just go at it aggressively? Why not just go give it all you have? Why not just put everything into it? Because you know what? At the end of the day, no one's gonna give a shit about you. Whether you think someone cares, John down the road, Timmy down the street, someone in another country said something about you, but no one really cares. Think about it logically. No one cares. And no one's gonna care. You know, like someone said the other day, do you even know your great-great-grandparents? No, you don't. I don't. I don't know their names. I know absolutely nothing about them. So what makes you so special? And the only way you're gonna be special, if you become special, if you make something of yourself, you make something, you be something good, you be something great. But the only way you're gonna do that is by fucking doing something. Doing something that no one else does. Doing something that's going to do something in your bloodline that everyone's going to remember you by. If you're going to be a lazy piece of shit and do absolutely nothing in your bloodline, and you're just going to be a sack of shit, a worthless loser, then that's all you're going to be. All right? That's all your family's going to remember you by, or they're not going to remember you. So you got a choice. Either do something fucking crazy and try something big and fail, than being a worthless loser and dying one day. Because I think that's worse. That's my TED Talk for today, guys. Write me a quote. Yeah, I've got someone. I'm replying back now. I'm just making sure. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, we're getting that sorted. I'm just still a bit confused with the situation. We speaking about it. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, my guy. Right, guys, we're not seeing much price action at the moment. Look, it's okay. Brother, you analyze wrong buys right now. I'm not buying, bro. I think this is a bit of a Lexi Varner type of guy. I'm not buying, bro. Where do you see me buying, dog? My idea was a dump back to the lows and then moved back to 100k by July, but who even knows at this stage? Facts, bro. Who even knew that there was going to be a war? Who even knew that the Strait of Hormuz is going to be closed? Who knew that I was going to be in Bali? Who knows, bruv? I'm just a guy who's just out here living, just following what the markets give me, bro. And that's just the way it is. So guys, make sure to get access to the deposit bonus, 150%. Drop me a DM right now. Right now. Guys want to get access to the source. So whatever you deposit, you get that. There, Ryan, I wasn't trying to like insult you or anything. Don't worry. I was saying I'm not in buys. I'm in sells. Well, looking for sells, bro. It's sad. So sad. Yeah, so I'm going to move out this villa at the end of this month, and I'm going to go into a villa with another trader friend of mine. So it should be pretty cool. We're thinking of doing like a collab stream together. So yeah, pretty excited for that. I think it's been pretty sick. He's doing his first stream today. He's going to do New York session. And yeah, it should be pretty cool. Pretty interesting. So we're going to do a collab session probably like start of next month. Just around the corner. Woo, why won't you just... Brother, you don't have to worry, dude. I am... Firstly, it's not with me, it's with the broker. And we are working on it. We're all working on it. You're in good hands. Don't worry, my brother. When are the t-shirts coming? You don't have to worry about gold diggers when you have the gold. I love VVIV entertain gold. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be the Allenby quote. I'm just gonna sub to brother to go to. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. And if you guys haven't already liked the video, like actually like it, like when you like it, you do very please appreciate that. And my new vlog is gonna come out today. My new vlog coming out today, dog. And you know why this one's even better? Is because this was my 30th birthday. I didn't show you guys some of the shit that went down. Let me show you guys. Wait, I'll show you guys a little intro. Wait, let me get it up here quickly. You guys want to see the intro of my new vlog? I'll play it here. I don't know if there will be sound or something, but wait. Let me give you guys a little sneak preview. Since you guys are in the YouTube. The intro is like cool, man. It's like, damn, you know, damn. Like, what's this guy up to, dog? Hey, bro, I might have missed. Do you give out a fund account? Yes, I do. So if you deposit $1,000, you also get access to 150% deposit bonus. So you'll get $2,500 starting capital. But if you deposit, then you get $5,000 prop challenge on Funder Pro, which is a highly good prop firm, right? And then if you deposit $2,000, you get given completely free a $10,000 prop challenge. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna play you guys the intro to the new vlog if you guys want to see that, since we're waiting for Price to just do something. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it. Just wanna quickly. Oh no, wait, that was my old YouTube, wait. This one, yeah. Guys, better make sure you guys get that. Guys, better make sure that you guys get the get on that shit, you know, when it comes out. Wait, okay, I can play this. Welcome to fucking Bali. Wait. Fucking Bali, bro. Wait, that's like full speed. Wait. I need to download it first. Wait. What's the trade logic? Okay, so the trade logic, very good question, bro. Nice, I like that. The trade logic was, firstly, I was waiting for the 15-minute, right? And what I saw on the 15-minute is that we had a supply zone that was formed. And obviously price started to push up already and started to consolidate between this level. This was before, so we took it all the way from here, wait for price to bounce back into this. It's 9.3 levels. And this was because we had a supply zone which was formed at the top here. Now, I was waiting for a supply zone to be tapped here, but I saw that it wasn't really going to push up into there, and price started to reject. Because I want price to come down to here, back into our demand zones. Now, price started to hover back down, slowly coming back down. And I said if price taps into this level, which is a supply zone, I'm going to enter on that, and I want price to come all the way back down. That was my logic behind it. Technologic. Oh, it's like a 1.7 gig video, dude. Jeez, like it. Jeez, like it. Oh man, I'm gonna see this late tonight, though. Jeez. Oh, everything's taking long to download you. Yes, bro. I'm just downloading this like 1.7 gigs. Jeez. Right, let's see. Like we're slowly pushing up. There's just not much volume at the moment, guys. Nothing really much we can do. But just wait. You know, patience always pays. Now, if we're going to push up a little bit more, right? Technically, I need to update the VIP. Well, let's see. I'm going to give you guys a little snippet of my new vlog coming out today. Make sure you guys are prepared for that. It's going to be dropping shortly after the stream. So if you guys are a little bit bored, you guys want to watch something, you guys want to see what I'm up to, make sure to watch the vlog. And if you like it, please, guys, show some love. Put some comments there. Tell me what I should be working on. Tell me, just like it if you do like it, you know. I appreciate the support, guys. You know, I'm out here just like trying to do what I want to do. I know you guys, you know, you want to live the same life. If you guys were doing the same thing, I'd be supporting you guys 100%. You know, support your dreams, bro. You know, don't let dreams be dreams. Just do it. You know what I mean? The only reason why I'm not entering now is because it's just literally no volume. You know, like absolutely no volume for the past almost hour. Look at that. Like it's done nothing, so it's a little bit boring at the moment. So we're just waiting here. It's sad. It's a sad, sad situation. So who is actually still in this trade? Some of you guys entered, right? Do you have anyone helping to pass it, etc.? We help you pass it because we give you the trades, right? You just have to follow the trades correctly and you can pass it, no problem. No problem at all. But we might have another solution as well, a prop trading solution. So would you guys be interested in that? Who in the chat would be interested in me passing the prop firms for you guys? Do you also trade NAS 100 and Euro JPY? I used to. I've never quite traded NAS. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've seen it. I've tried it a couple of times. Just I make the same amount of money trading gold or Bitcoin or crypto, you know. Yeah, so Paula, if you want, drop me a DM and speak to me about that. My link's in the description. Pac-Man, drop me a message. Just drop me a DM. So you guys want to get access to that? I'll talk to that. I'm in sweet. You guys want to get access to that? The prop plans. Guys, I really want to jump in the pool, eh? Really need the trade to do something good. I just hate like why there's just no volume ever. It's always when I go like this, when I look away, it's like, I was the same with my mate, like we were out and I was like, bro, literally nothing happened. He goes, what do you mean nothing happened? Bro, we literally went to the restaurant, we ate and the price just went, I'm like, oh my word, dude, it's so sad. But I think what's going to happen is, you guys see this, right? So I think we're preparing for this news event. You can see that it's going to be quite significant on the price as well. The previous 0.5, they're expecting like almost triple the forecast in percentage wise. So I think this is what people are like, you know. This is what people are a little bit cautious about. I think the next big move will be around 8:30, which will be the next 3 hours. Next 2 hours, sorry. The next 3 hours, yeah. There's still quite a bit of time. Anything can happen during that period, but I think that's going to be possibly the next big move. But until then, we're just going to keep waiting. Then you get $5,000. It's going to spike to the down or upside. After news, I don't know. So in theory, if this core retail sales go up, it should be good for the dollar. Check where. Let me check the fundamentals. Let me check my news thing. Yeah, so if this goes higher, it's saying that higher retail sales mean that stronger consumer spending, which is good for the dollar, which means that gold should go down. So we're looking good. If it's higher than the forecast, which it is, it should be good for the dollar, bad for gold. So yeah, it's looking good. We're on the right track. Should be good. That would be sick if people could be able to get the prop and you help them pass it. All right, can do that. Message me. Tell me, just message me interested in the prop. The prop passing. But as you can see, the gold price is going down. Shawty, going down, swinging. Yeah. The only thing I have is to gym today. Might go gym with this girl. Don't know. Don't really like gymming with girls, bro. It's not my ting, dog. It's not my ting. Maybe. Yeah, so just message me and we can try and arrange something with this prop passing. It'll be pretty cool, yeah. Let's run it. Damn, we're just going down. Going down. Shawty, we going down. We're going down swinging. I should have been now. Yeah, sucks, isn't it? I think we'll get another trade. My two phase at the moment. Just message me, or you can discuss something. Obviously depends on the prop, it depends on the challenge. So if you want more details, just drop me. It'll be easier just to chat over there. I really want to enter another sell, but like I just want to be a bit more patient, you know. It's just that because there's no volume, you know. All right, so just how you guys doing? Fucking hell, it's literally not doing anything, bro. Let's check some here. Slight little break of structure happening here as well, so that's fine. Alright. Slight little break in structure over there. Its price starts to push back down below here. It should give us more confirmation. Just obviously just waiting. Just waiting. You know what I really need right now is a coffee, eh? Coffee would go down juicy right now. I'd say it should go there. I forget what that broke. All right, so Adam, there's a few people still in this chat. Still people who's still in this trade. How are you guys feeling? Depressed or? I mean, you should be happy because you're in profit. In about 100 pips profit at the moment. Not too bad. Peaked at 110. It's not too bad. How many of you guys are still in this trade? What's your guys' thoughts process? Oh my god. Looks alright. Hungry, bro. Hungry. Super hungry, bro. Imagine me, dude. I had like quite a nice little meal. You know what I want to really play? I want to go play some paddle, dude. Listen to some paddle, dog. I'm still in. Nice, nice, nice. It's just a bit unfortunate, like the timing. I mean, nothing really much you can do except sit on our hands and play a little bit. Are you sure it's so? Pretty sure, bro. I'm pretty sure, man. Because also, if you have a look at the news, like I mentioned before, we got core retail sales, which means if the percentage increases, all right, this means that there's stronger consumer spending, which means that it's going to be better for the dollar because they get more chica chica. Now, if there's more chica chica, it means that gold goes more downer. I don't know what I was going to say there. But yeah. So we look like we're in the right direction for now. As just not much volume at the moment happening. That's pretty much it. It's like nothing really to really much to say about it. What is the name of your trading friend that you're going to collab with? His name is Shiak. I don't know if you know him. I don't even know him. Cool guy. We've pretty much been doing a lot of things together recently. I met him up when I was in Dubai. We trade also similar strategies as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's a trade supply and demand. So we're gonna do a little bit of collab. I think it'll be cool. I think it'll be interesting, you know. We'll do something in the villa. We'll do some cool stuff. Maybe do a little bit of a longer stream, you know, maybe have a little party here, you know what I mean? Maybe we throw a party and then while everyone's like partying in the background, we're just going to be trading. I think that's pretty cool. So everyone likes music playing, I have my headphones in, so like you guys wouldn't really hear it. There's just people behind us like drinking. And then we just literally locked in, you know, like bro's locked in, bro. Doesn't really care about the party. I'm just like literally locked in on you guys. I don't care about anything else. Yeah. I think that, what do you guys think about that? It'd be pretty sick, you know. There'll be some, you know, some guys for the ladies. There'll be some ladies for the guys, you know. Mixed diversions. Brandy, yes. Absolutely yes. I know he is. Ah, yeah? You know he is. Nice. Very cool. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. I know pretty much all the traders in the space, like almost everyone. I've met everyone. I met Q Banks. I met Anthony's World. I haven't met like Mamba. I haven't met TJR yet. Well, I mean TJR. I haven't met Adex G yet, but I know a lot of other big guys. Should have the VIP fence so people don't spill drinks on your laptops, bro. Let them do that, bro. I will literally, bro. They'll be destroyed. No, we'll get a security for sure. Yeah. You need a nap. No. I definitely don't need a nap. I've got a long night ahead of me, You'll make a great team. Can't wait. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll get a bouncer. Like if it's gonna be a party, we'll get like a bounce and stuff like that. For sure. Are you allowed? Like, but the thing is, you know, I just don't want like, you know, because parties, you know, people can do something stupid, right, in the background, and that could reflect bad on me, you know, because I didn't do anything stupid, right? I'm a crazy guy, but I didn't do anything stupid, so just gotta also be careful about that. We want party, Branny. No, you don't kill me, bro. What would you say was your best trading year? I think this year is really good. This year so far has been about 260% return so far. Just on my one trading account, so I think that's pretty good. And you guys can see it on my FX book as well. Everything's traded, everything's documented. I think that's really good. In terms of trading, like in terms of crypto, I'd say my best year was like 2024. That was nuts. Yeah, that was like crazy shit. But I was like during a bull run, you know, so you can't really compare, you know. You're buying banana coin, you're making tens of thousands. You're buying this, you're making thousands. It was a different, you know, I wouldn't classify it as trading, I would classify it as like gambling, you know. But that was like, if obviously it's still technically trading, but in that way, for sure, I was like one of my biggest years, as opposed to this year, you know. Last year was good as well. It's not like every year is good. Obviously, it's just some years are way better, you know, just depending on the conditions, right? If I'm being honest, like it just depends. Sometimes you can have a really bad month, you know, it could set you off for the next month, and then it might take you like 2 months to recover. So you've lost like 4 months of, you know, return. It just depends, you know, really. And we want, How many lots do you use? I use between 3 to 6 lots spread over different positions on gold. My account's at 380,000 now. So almost hitting 400 grand on that account. Let me just check. Yeah, there we go. 382,000 currently. That's obviously my live account. It's not demo bullshit here. And all the logs are trade on my FX book. So if you don't believe that as well, you think this is, let me scroll a bit so you guys can see. It's not a screenshot. It's my actual account. So yeah, it's almost going to hit 400. So it'll be like a 300% gain. It's pretty good. Yeah, so obviously me using like 6 lots, even on a 380k account, I think it's still feasible. Look, I'm not trying to, if there's a good position and I can hold it a bit longer, right? For sure I will hold it. But like if I make like 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand in a day, whatever the case is, that's a lot of fucking money, dude. And if you scale that up over time, you're going to sit with an account like this. Just like literally taking it slow. I'm not there to chase 100k wins. I'm not interested. If my position, if I can hold it a bit longer, I'm going to hold it maybe till 10 grand, 15 grand. But if I move my stop loss to the thing, if I move my stop loss like to the profits and I get taken out, like, you know, maybe I'll miss out on that 50 grand move. But like, I'm not really interested. If I make 3 grand in a day, it's still pretty good. Still pretty happy with it. So yeah, what size do you trade? Nazi, you can see it. My vision's getting really bad here, apparently. Did you analyze higher time frame and lower time frame? Yes, I did, sir. I went on the 1 hour because I saw something interesting. I analyzed a little bit of the 4 hour. I said we're in a bullish trend. Don't waste too much time on that for now. I have a Zoom meeting party with us, bro. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, a Zoom meeting. We're crazy. What's up? What's up, bro? Damn, bro, you got that body look now. Tan and happy. Yeah, even my hair, bro. Look at my hair. I got like the whole... Bro, I'm starting to like this kind of style, you know? More natural look. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer this style? Like, it's more just like, you know... I'm trying to embrace my curls. If there's any ladies in here, you know, you don't have to compliment me. I'm not looking for that. But I know ladies like love the natural look. You know, they like to, if they got natural curls, they like it. You know, like my hair's naturally just curly. You know, so like, what do you guys think? You prefer the natural look? It really is like a Bali kind of vibe. You know. Let me know in the comment section. You put on my lights here. It's getting very dark. When you're heading back to Dubai, bro? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Maybe like September, August, somewhere there. Going to Turkey in June. Meet up with some friends. Gonna be staying here probably the whole of May. Then I'm deciding after June, then there's July, then there's August. Yeah, still so much time. It's the hair, you already know. Yeah, I know that. The body look. The hair, the more natural look, you know. What's up, guy? I prefer it, bro. You know, I'm so much more happier, like not putting any product and stuff in my hair. Got the whole natural, you know, feng shui, you know, kind of look, you know. What's up, guys? Yeah, well, yeah, I'm a chill dude, but yeah, what up, G? You know. Are you waiting for the market to open? Why it's stuck? I'm gonna assume you meant stuck. That's a very good question. Market has already opened, and the next market opens up at like 9, I think 9:30 my time, somewhere around there. So. A little bit boring. I think it's just waiting for news. News is at 8:30, so in the next like couple hours. So yeah, kind of just waiting, dog. Guys, if you just second here. If you just finished, if you just joined in on the stream now, make sure to understand that we got a 150% deposit bonus now. So up until the 23rd. So make sure you utilize this time. And if you guys want to get, oh, wait. Not with the chit chat. My vlog, dog. Wait, I'm going to give you guys. Okay, I'll tell you. And then, yeah, if you guys get access, you also get access to the $5,000 prop challenge if you deposit $1,000. This is really good because I recommend you guys to use this because you guys are able to trade over the weekends. You guys are able to take crypto signals. And last week alone, we got 75 take profits. 75! 75 in a week. Take profits. That's crazy. Find me another group that's like LMB, bro. Can't do that, dog. And then if you deposit 2,000, you will get access to a 10,000 prop challenge account. All right. Where's this video now? Wait. Ah, yeah. Showing Finder. Guys, ready for this shit? I'm just showing you the intro. You can watch the rest of the vlog on there. Right. Alright, wait. I gotta put it like that. Like that. Wait, let me just get this. You can already see it's gonna be messy, eh? Starting off like that. Yeah, you guys ready? I don't know. Wait, let me just check. Max desktop audio. A little bit on like that. Testing. Okay, wait, let me just try. Welcome. Alright, let me put it like that. I think it's gonna be too loud. Testing. Okay, here we go. Can you guys hear it? Oh, bro, it's up so much, eh? TPs. Ah, here we go. No sound. Okay, wait. I gotta get the sound in. Wait. Just tell me when you guys can hear the sound. Wait. Is there sound now? Is sound now? No?
Welcome to fucking Bali, bro.
Can you guys hear it now? Just say yes if someone can hear it.
Filling up here in Bali. That's the petrol, mate.
Still no sound, right? How do I get the sound? Wait. Adam, is there sound? Can someone confirm that, bro? Wait, let me just see here, wait. Okay, you guys can hear it. Okay. Alright. Welcome to fucking Bali. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to fucking Bali, bro.
This is the new vlog dropping tonight, guys.
Filling up here in Bali. That's the petrol, mate. Whoa. 9th of April. Steady, what's my wish? To make a lot of fucking money this year. And never be broke again. And with all my friends to be rich with me. Alright guys, so we just drove to Uluwatu.
Alright. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? That's the intro, but you guys have to watch the rest of the video on the vlog. It's gonna drop tonight. What do you guys think of the intro? Oh shit! That was my 30th birthday, man. Yeah, 30th birthday vlog. I don't remember much, but I remember it was good. It was pretty cool, you know. Damn! You must be cleaning up out there, my friend. Let me tell you something, my friend. There's a lot of good-looking motherfuckers here, eh? Like, dude, there's a lot of competition. But, yeah, some nice... you get your pot, you know. But there is, like, trust me, there's guys that literally look like, you know, they spawned out of a gym, bro. They're just like, jacked, jawline, pristine, bro. Facial structures, like, damn, guys. I'm like, I look at them, I'm like, damn, dog, you must be happy with yourself, eh? You know? Yeah. But, welcome to fucking Bali. Crazy motherfucker, mate. Shit. Damn, bro. But yeah, no, it's a fun place. It's definitely a fun place. I enjoy it, you know. They haven't flipped 100k into 300k. I don't think, man. Nah, I don't think they have. But sometimes, you know, money's good, but you know, you gotta have like again, yeah, I go out to the places, I spend a bit of cash. You know what I mean? Like, you know, but like, you know, it is what it is, dude. I still think it's the quotes on my shirt to be "Welcome to fucking Bali." And then what was the other one? Don't care if she's a gold digger because I have the gold. It's just a sick, bro. I like that. I think that'll be a savage shirt, bro. I gotta write that shit down, mate. That'll be a cool shirt, bro. Hey, can you just start a video of beginning of the Forex and finish your strategy? Hey, can you just start a video of beginning of your Forex and finish your strategy? What do you mean by that? I don't think I understand it correctly. Guys, how fucking boring has the price action been, dude? Every time I look, 8.7, 8.5 for the past hour, dude. What the fuck? Come on, man. Bro, since 2 p.m. it's been like this shit. Past 5 hours, dude. Come on, man. Get on that weighted calisthenics. Just get on some steroids, bro. You know, call it a day, you know. I used to do steroids back in the day when I was like 21 and 19. So nice, bro. Don't recommend it. It's not recommended, but it's good. It was good, bro. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Well, thank you, madam. I don't know. Don't want to genderize some people. Yeah, guys, it's looking like it's looking like a bit of a nothing burger at the moment, eh? I'll stay on for a little bit longer because I really want to get a trade on stream. It's been a while, like since a good trade's been on. Like it's just like the timing's been pretty long. It's not like we had bad trades. It's just like we haven't had like trades moving quite quick. Gotta drink my vodka, you know, vodka soda. No, I'm joking. Nah, I'm not drinking for a while, eh? No, thank you, sir. No, thank you. No chance. Nah, it's crazy, dude. I fully believe you, Vanity. It sucks. It sucks. I mean, we're pushing up to our entry, like, like 10 years later. 10 years later. Jeez. Oh. Damn. It's getting closer. I'll wait a bit. Did I use one strategy for trade? Oh, wait, sorry, I didn't read the question. Are we changing direction or we're still holding the sell? Oh, still holding the sell, dog. Did you use one strategy for trading? You mean in my whole lifetime or just now? The market has been frustrating ever since the Iran situation. Trade setups ruined over a tweet. Oh, it's true, bro. It's true. Very true, bro. Very true, bro. There's a song I made closer. Closer. I just want to give the entry and give us a dumb and simple. Yeah, I don't know, like it depends because it just depends on market structure. Like it's not really looking too bearish at the moment now again, you know, because if you have a look at some things, right, like as much as we wanted to reach that, it's not giving me like any bullish signs now, you know, like now that price is like literally done this, right? We come down, fine, fair enough, create a new lower high, create a new lower low, lower high, lower low. Now at any point we could create another lower high or a higher high if I just continue driving back up, right? So that's the scary part about being now in terms of this market. This is looking pretty shit, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yeah, the time you become profitable. Yeah, I just use pretty much one strategy, yeah. Just pretty much one, yeah. Supply and demand. That's pretty much it. Supply and demand, looking at a bit of ranges, identifying what levels we are on the higher time frames, utilizing that in terms of getting a better entry, taking lower time frames. I mean, the best thing I ever learned was learning time frames, right? Once you learn time frames, you pretty much master the craft, right? How to utilize time frames, how to look at a candle, the opening and closing of a candle, what's important about it, the relevancy. Yeah. All that good shit, right? It's like, is price now? What's price gonna do if it's gonna break above here, right? Break of structure. So you see, price can still pretty much break above this structure. This is what I'm a little bit concerned about. If price wants to break above this structure and start to form, could take us out. That's why I'm going to delete this for now because I'm not that confident on the setup just yet, because we are starting to form bullish structure. You guys see what I'm seeing for now? Guys seeing this? So any moment that this candle can just come up here now and start to retest that and take us into our next supply zone, right? So I'm more cautious about Oh wait, my mate, give me 1 second, guys. Yo. So boring, dude. Been here for the past like 3 hours. Or not 3, no, wait. When did I start at 4? It's 6 now, 2 hours.
Thinking about buying.
Hey?
Thinking about buying.
I don't know, I was trying to get in on a sell, like, but now it's looking more.
I'm looking for a buy.
No, I'm looking for a buy now, going back up to this level now. That's why I deleted. I had a sell, we came down to like here, we peaked at like 110 pips. But,
just full port, bro.
yeah,
Like,
just full vibe, bro.
if you buy and sell at the same time, and you do like 2 times 100% risk, you're gonna win anyways.
No, I know. If you buy and sell on 2 separate accounts, you'll be alright. I'm just gonna delete this one for now. Invalid sell limit.
It's your
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, yeah.
I gave it to you, no? On your phone. At Villa Chichi something.
It is cheap, but I don't know the pass.
Oh shit, I need to charge my laptop here. I got the cable, but
I don't have it.
you just what's our chat say? Can find your strategy. Oh wait, sorry guys, just can find the strategy. Can or can't find. I don't know. Like, I'm sharing it to you. Bro, why can I never share it? It doesn't let me. Yeah, the deposits Chichi, CHI 1 2 3 4. Nah,
GG?
1 2 3 4. Should I exit the trade now if it's going to up, or will it come back down? I would exit now. Like it's an invalid trade. Like if you entered at 9.3, you peaked at what? Total of I think 120 pips. Peaked at around 100 pips, 110. I mean, right now I'd just rather wait for a better setup. Like you can see, like that's what's my concern. I told you guys that if you're looking at pretty much how the price structure is forming, especially on the 15-minute now, you can see that at any moment this can just break above, change of break of structure, if you want to call it that, come back down and then retest our next supply level. So that's something that I'm more looking at the moment. But until then, right now, it's fucking boring. Like it's we've been around 8.3, 8.5 for the past 4.5 hours. Fuck. Almost choked up bad the price action is right now. Where's my water? What time are you going live? 8:30. 9:30.
Yeah, open.
But there's news, that's why the price isn't doing anything. There's news
Yeah.
at 8:30, that's why.
Yep, 8:30. There's Trump speaking, and then also at 4 p.m., which is 10 p.m.
10 p.m. now.
Bali time. There's a
Fed chairman, yeah. That's what it's probably just waiting for. It's probably not going to do anything until then.
That's what I said. I'm not taking any positions before Trump speaks.
Yeah, Trump speaks at 8:30.
You never know what Trump does.
I know. I think what's going to happen is I think it's going to be a bit of a cluster bug. I think this because the core retail sales, if it goes up, that's good for the dollar. So dollar should take me. But then Trump's going to go say so, and then full manipulate fuck hard. I think he's gonna do
guys,
something.
I'm dropping a nuke. And he's going, no, I'm not dropping it.
Yeah.
That's literally what he does.
I caught PPI, guys. Closing. Yeah, guys. So this is my prediction for the news, or our prediction, right? So is it raining? Fuck, man.
It was raining a bit on the way.
So you see this, right? Remember what I told you guys. So if this forecast is higher than the previous, that's good for the dollar because more people are spending money, right? Now, look who's talking, Mr. Trump. So in theory, the gold should go down, but then Trump might say something, guys, don't invest into, guys, everyone buy gold now. And then, and just absolutely manipulate the price. So be very careful you're going to be trading in this next couple of hours. I'd rather wait for Trump to make his little announcement and then we move forward from there. But for now, guys, I don't think I'm going to be taking any positions until that. I was expecting some sort of volume and there's absolutely nothing. And to be honest, we'll update you guys in the VIP. So if you guys want to get access to the VIP, make sure to drop me a DM, because today until the 23rd, I'm giving you guys access to get 150% deposit bonus. And if you deposit $1,000 into an account now, you'll get access to a $5,000 prop account completely free. If you deposit $2,000, we'll give you a $10,000 prop challenge. Now, if you have any questions regarding the crypto trading, the groups, the VIP, make sure to drop me a DM. You'll get access to these trades in real time. So if this sounds good for you, message me. The link's in the bio. But anyways, guys, love you all. Sorry for the bad price action. There's nothing I can do. And I'll drop more signals in the VIP later. I'll be up all night if you know what I mean. So peace out for now. Much love. Catch you guys on Thursday.